in a loop like an empty hoop makes 0. Nothing to see here.
My turn. 1 line down like a stick makes a 1. That was quick. Over to you two.
I can't remember how my number looks. I'll be invisible forever.
We could copy our numbers from the bookcase. Quick!
Oh, yes.
Our numbers. Let's trace them together. Round in a loop like an empty hoop makes 0.
1 line down like a stick makes a 1. That was quick.
1 curve down is what you do, then straight across to make a 2.
Make a curve just like me, then 1 more, and you got 3.
Down and right. Off once more. Cross the line. That's a 4. It's working! It's working!
Down and around, then a line up high. High 5.
Start with a curve, round with a swish. That's the way to make a 6.
A line in the sky and down to the ground. That's how lucky 7's found.
An S to start, looking great. Loop back up, and there's your 8.
A loop and then a downward line. That's the way to make a 9. And what fine figures we all make!